Hibachi my chicken, these hoes do not listen. Well done on the focus, the mission. Just wait till I finish. A lot on my mind, so the words is given. I know you're not used to me spitting this hit. I got the juice in one sipping. Shout out to my kitchen, my baby is whipping. I get it in where I fit it. No time to be timid. 8 man niggas is living. I pity y'all niggas is sipping. I take it all if it's given. Hit them all and I'm with it. No keeping up with it. I make it spin like a bitch.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back. This is the channel where you learn how to keep it locked, keep it healthy. I see that some of you like to combine or just use a crochet tool, so I've got to make a video. As you've seen, I got some locks that are combined but not fully one lock. I don't know if I got any more that I can show you. I probably do. What I used to do is just twist them up, you know, probably put a rubber band down here, do this a couple times, but it wouldn't fully, you know, lock together. Anytime I wash my hair or something, it come right on out. What I'm using are, of course, crochet needles. Now the size that I'm using is 0.5 millimeters. I don't know if that's the size that you need, or I feel like that's the general size for locks and, you know, getting shit together, straightening. I bought a pack that comes in 3. You got the 1 prong, 2 prong, and the 3 prong. Wow. Now, usually I don't use the 3 prong. The 1 and the 2 is about where my thickness ends. They are a little flimsy, aluminum or whatever they use to make combs. So don't put too much pressure on it or bend it. Don't go like that. You got to be careful. You can stab yourself. You can stab yourself. If you're going towards your finger, it might go in your finger. You know what I'm saying? You got to go, I don't know, on top of it, in between, but never towards the fingers. Okay? Well, first you want to find the locks in question that you want to combine. You get your crochet needle that fits the size proportion, and you go to town. Here's a couple examples. This is one that I haven't combined yet. This is one that I have combined. Now, it does get a little stiff as you do it. I'm new to this, not true to this. Okay, but after a while, I feel like it'll get loosed up. You know, I still gotta hit this a few times, as you can kind of maybe see. You can kind of see through it. It just takes time. Work it in. See, I can stick my finger through it. But you want to push the crochet needle through one side to the other lock and pull it towards it. Hook them hairs, pull them in there. Oh. You gotta be careful though. The more you do it, the more you get used to it. So you basically gotta hook them hairs in there, bring it in to the other side. Spin it around, do the same thing. Of course, that little spot you can't see through no more. But you just gotta keep working. Work. That's why it takes a while if you're just starting out. But if you know what you're doing, you be alright. Because you be in that bitch just... I've seen videos of it, but I'm not that good yet. So it's gonna take me a little bit. I be having other shit to do, you know what I'm talking about? You do too, so, you know. As you get free time, just sit there and, you know, get right. Watch your little favorite TV show, movie, whatever you want to do, you know what I'm saying? Chill out. Do your thing, you know? It's a patience thing. Just like the journey, it's a patience thing, you know? But eventually, my locks will be ones instead of splits. I'll be putting them together. If you would like to put yours together, you can get these crochet needles either off of Amazon or in a beauty store. There may be some near your local location that sells them, but I got mine off of Amazon, I ain't gonna lie. No cap, I bought them off of Amazon. 0.5 millimeter thickness, and it does the job for me. As far as retwisting with these, I haven't tried that yet, but I've seen people do it, and I feel like it works better, especially if you get your hair wet a lot or you work out a lot. You do a lot of activity, you know, especially in some water. It'll be better for you to go that route, being that the hair is already, you know, combined together with the needle, with the crochet tool, rather than it just being twisted and you're waiting for it to lock together on the root side. So, you know, it should work wonders for your locks. If you're trying to get those wicks, those thick ass locks, then you're gonna need some of these. You might start off with these, get a little bit thicker, go to the 7, boom, 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 get you a, you know, most people they'll rubber band them together and they'll wait a long ass time for them to lock up. But you ain't got to wait that long if you don't want to. You can take a big crochet, or not like a huge knitting crochet, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking about millimeters here, I'm talking about the smaller ones, okay? You take them, you get right. It's gonna take a while, like I said, but if that's what you wanna do, you can go do it yourself or get it done. People that know what they doing, it ain't gonna take that long. So, probably be in that bitch for like, I don't know, I'm not gonna lie to you. It might be 4 or 5 hours. Not going to cap. But, these help if you do have those splits and you want to just put them together real quick. You ain't got too many, boom, boom. Put them together real quick, you good to go. I think I had some more thinning over here, so I got to combine some more. So I'm gonna be using this a lot more. I'm gonna get it in. But if you need anything else, hit it in the comments, let a nigga know. Until next time, hopefully you know and learned and will be able to crochet your locks, either retwisting or combining. Appreciate y'all for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. Till next time, it's your boy, and I'm out. Keep it locked, keep it healthy.
Freeze, bringing the best low to the knees. She full counting with the legs. No need to stretch. Just focus your mind and give me your best. Got a body like Hasemi. She do a lot of things to you with Sui when she come and ride at me. Spin around like some pottery, gripping her throat cause she hollering. Make her remember the finer things, telling that hoe never lie to me. Then if I need your apologies, I'm a king, so I need it done properly. Come on and vibe with me. Come on and vibe, keep that shit live. I like the look in your eyes. She mama, you're